Standard 10th, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1, 5th question. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, C is equal to 3, 4, D is equal to 1, 3, 5. Check if A intersection C cross B intersection D, that is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. Now check your question first, children. You will have to prove that whether it is true or wrong. Okay. So check your left hand side. It is A intersection C, B intersection D is given. So by seeing your question itself, your first step is you will have to find your A intersection C. That is your first step. Your second step is B intersection D. You will have to find it. Then for both the answers, you will have to find your cross product. Okay. This is your left hand side. Right hand side same way. Your first step is A cross B. You will have to find it. Then your second step is C cross D. You will have to find this. Normally the logic is what is inside the bracket you will find it first. Then go to the outer part. That is the inner part what it is given. So first is A cross B. You will have to find it. Then C cross D. You will have to find it. For those two answers, see the intersection. That will be the last part. Okay. So we'll just proceed it. First we'll go with the LHS. So A intersection C will find it. Okay. So A intersection C is, write your A first. 1, 2, 3. Intersection C is 3, 4. So intersection means what you'll have to do? You'll have to write only the common terms in both the sets. So which is common? Just see which number is repeated twice. So here 3 is there and here is also 3 is there. So only the term is 3 is, the element is 3 is common to A and C. Okay, so A intersection C is equal to only the element 3 because only the 3 is common. Okay, the next part is B intersection D. We'll have to find it. So B intersection D is equal to, write your B first. It is 2, 3, 5. Intersection your D. D is nothing but your 1, 3, 5. Now here also again intersection is there. So check whether what are the common terms are there. So 3 is common. Again 5 is common. Okay, so the terms are 3, 5. Otherwise the elements are 3, 5 for your B intersection D. Once you finish up your first step and second step, what you will have to do? You will have to find your cross product. So it is A intersection C cross B intersection D. So write your A intersection C answer. Okay, it is 3. Then put your cross. Your B intersection D answer, it is 3, 5. Now you will have to write your order pairs because they have asked you the cross product. So write your order pairs. That is the first element, only one element is there. So take this element and joining with these two elements, you will get your order pair. So it is 3, 3, then 3, 5. So with this your left hand side is done. So I am just marking it as 1. Your right hand side, first step is A cross B. You will have to find it. So your A from your question, it is 1, 2, 3 cross B from your question, it is 2, 3, 5. Now A cross B means nothing but your ordered pairs. You will have to write it in your set bracket. So your element in first element in your set A has to be joined with the elements with set B. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. Second element in set A has to be joined with these three elements. So it is 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Then third element in A has to be joined with these three elements. So it is 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. So we have finished all the elements. So you can close your bracket. Your next step is C cross D. Okay. So it is C cross D. So C cross D means write your C. It is 3, 4. Cross D is 1, 3, 5. Now writing your Cartesian product, open your set bracket. Your first element in C joining with these three elements in D. So 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Then second element is C joining with these three elements in D. So it is 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. So we have finished all the elements. So A cross B we have found out, and C cross D is also over. So our first step and second step is over. Now we will have to find the intersection for both. Okay, so it is A cross B intersection C cross D, we will have to find it. So intersection is nothing but your common terms. Here it will be common ordered pairs. Okay, just check any common ordered pairs are there. Here 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1. So it is not there. So you can go up to there. So only 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 3 is here. 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 5. So only those two terms are there. So it is 3 comma 3 is one ordered pair. The next one is 3 comma 5. So we will declare this is 2. Already we have done 1. So from 1 and 2, 1 is on 1 and 2 are same. So from 1 and 2 we can say that A intersection C into B intersection D is equal, isn't it? Both the answers are equal, so we can give it as equal A cross B intersection C cross D can write as true. They have asked you whether it is true or false. So it is given true, so we can give your answer as true. So with this your fifth sum is over.